Welcome to our guide on using Scotiabank ATMs. Convenient and user-friendly, these ATMs offer a range of banking services at your fingertips. Finding the nearest Scotiabank ATM is simple. You can use the Scotiabank mobile app or visit our website for ATM locators. To withdraw cash, simply insert your card, enter your PIN, select Withdraw, and choose your desired amount. For deposits, select Deposit, insert your bills or checks, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your transaction. Safety is key. Always be aware of your surroundings, shield your PIN, and avoid using ATMs in poorly lit areas. Remember, daily withdrawal limits may apply, and fees might differ depending on your account type and ATM usage. You can easily check your account balance at any Scotiabank ATM by selecting the Balance option after entering your PIN. Some ATMs allow bill payments and other services. Just select the appropriate option and follow the instructions. If you encounter issues, like your card being retained or transaction errors, follow the prompts or contact customer support immediately. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit the Scotiabank website or contact customer service for assistance.